Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclaimer standpoint, I do own Apple in my retirement portfolios from the long side. So just keep that in mind as I go through the presentation. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today, updates need to be made, but just kind of goes to show the power of charts here, because the levels that I talked about all still definitely pertain. I'm going to get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But the first big update that comes into play is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened today. So going into and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos, but even if you didn't, talked about $500 being an area of resistance, but with the gap up this morning, at that point, you would expect it and you would want it to act as support. And surprise, surprise, price pulled back there, and look right where it found some support, right there at that green line. So good to see that $500 is now behaving as a support, just like you would want to see it. So point here being, that's going to be the near-term area to watch from the support side of things. On the flip side, as far as areas of resistance, and again, this is one of these confirmation things, because nothing new. I talked about 508 in previous videos as resistance, and once again, the power of charts. Look right where the price got rejected from that opening 30 minutes. Did bounce back upwards, and sure didn't hit it exactly, but got within the vicinity of it. The moral of the story here is that there's going to be a lot of people that have noticed 508, and when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing. Is it a guarantee? No, guarantees don't exist. Is it a valid and more than rational thought to have that if the price gets up through 508, that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure, even if you just want to call it a self-fulfilling prophecy? Yeah, not a guarantee, but a valid and rational thought to have. So those are going to be the main technical levels going forward. Now, if 508 can be broken, next key level is just simply where the price, all-time highs at 515. But before, putting too much focus on 515, let's just first see if the price can break up above the 508 mark. But overall, let's see how this one continues to play out, but good movement today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.